Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can make a website into an app on iPhone. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your Safari browser in your mobile device or open any browser. So, inside here, you need to go ahead and simply search for the website you want to save. For example, YouTube, Twitter, or your favorite blog. Once you open up the website, you need to go ahead and tap on this share icon. Scroll below, then tap on Add to Home Screen. Now, you can rename the shortcut to anything you want. This will be the app name that shows up on your home screen. So, once you've done that, you need to go ahead and tap on Add. Once done, you will see the website saved on your home screen with the app style like icon. And when you tap it, it will launch like an app, but it's really opening that website in Safari. And that is simply how you can make any website into an app on iPhone in just a few seconds. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.